In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a Confluence table. Whether you're organizing data or creating detailed documentation, knowing how to properly format tables is essential for clarity and presentation. So let's dive right in and make sure your tables look professional and are easy to read. To begin with, navigate to the specific page in Confluence where you'd like to add a new table. This is your working canvas, so get comfortable because we're going to transform this space into an organized structure of information. Once you're there, the next step is to summon the table function. Simply type the / key followed by the word table. This quick command is part of the Confluence editor's built-in shortcuts, which help you access various features without breaking your workflow. It's really handy and makes the process quite seamless. After you've typed table, you'll see a prompt or option to insert a table. You'll want to go ahead and click on that. This action will place a table on your page, ready for customization. If you're new to Confluence or feeling a bit unsure, clicking that table button will do the trick without any hassle. Now, it's time to define the structure of your table by choosing its size. Ask yourself how many columns and rows you need. This step tailors your table to suit the data you're planning to input, so take a moment to consider the layout you want. Remember, you can always adjust the size later if your needs change. Confluence is designed to make your life easier, and typically, text wrapping is enabled in tables by default. However, if you notice that your text isn't wrapping as expected, there's a simple solution to ensure it does. You can adjust the table's layout by setting it to a fixed width. This setting not only helps with text wrapping, but also maintains a neat, uniform appearance across your table. It's also wise to check that the text content within your table doesn't have any specific formatting that might prevent it from wrapping. These formats can sometimes sneak in if you copy and paste text from other documents. In scenarios where your table contents are extensive, consider using the expand macro. This tool is excellent for making large tables more manageable and enhances readability, especially when paired with the table filter macro. These macros add flexibility and dynamic elements to your tables, so don't hesitate to utilize them for optimal results. By following these steps, you're all set to create beautifully wrapped, well-organized tables in Confluence. Experiment as you go to find what best suits your content. With these tools and a bit of practice, your tables will not only convey information effectively, but will also look great. Thanks for tuning in and happy table making.